Hello, good friends. How have you been? How was the week? I hope all are doing well. For those who are not, I pray that just you get well soon. Yeah, I'm making some sambusas, as you will see in the video. You see the process on how I make them. It's night over here, and doing this will make work easier for the morning breakfasts. Yes. As we prepare this breakfast thing, we call the mascot. Yeah, that the thing you take with tea. Yes. Let's have some conversation maybe. Is it a conversation or just life experience or life lessons or life thoughts? Just, yeah, what I have. So in this life, guys, if you are drowned, what is that is keeping you down? What is that thing that is keeping you down right now? I know most of us, maybe 99% or maybe less, I don't know. But each and every person, if not all, has that thing that usually put the person down. You might struggle with the thing so hard that you may even want to give up with this life. I know some things we just need to give them up for life to be better and to continue. But what I mean is that thing, you know that you want it very bad, but you want to give it up. Just know that many people are always down. Yes, and people are down for many reasons. So try not to be that kind of person who let it go that easily. There are those you can let go easily, but others try not to let it go. And if there is that thing that is putting you down, just think, have a thought of it and say, how can I handle this? Do I need it in life? Is it important? Yes. And if it is important, what should I do so that I can improve this state of being down and at least be somewhere? Just know there are many things to do. Try to be where is it manifesting? Try to believe in that thing you believe in, and by believing in that thing, try to solve the situation. If you believe in prayers, you are a Christian, you believe that when you just go on your knees and be meaningful with it, pray for the thing and it will happen. And no, things happen the way they do because maybe it's for the better and for a reason. Things don't happen just randomly. They have their reasons. Sometimes sharing that problem you have with people, it makes it easy for you to work on it. So if you are watching this video and you have that troubling thing that you may want at least to share it out, you can share and we can discuss about it. That way, it should maybe helping. Yeah, may not be in that place to help so much, but conversation do really help. Yeah, and we need that conversation a lot. There are those who do not have even a person just to give them shoulders to lay on, so can use this platform and have shoulders to lean on. And this is our small village life, yes, as we experience with the Dayooz. That way, we'll be somewhere when it comes years later. This process is just warming the cover, yeah, to have that hardened, not to be that soft, yeah. So we harden it by warming it on a pan. Those are the warmed ones. We still have a lot to do, and time is really running. This is the paste you use to stick on those samosas after feeding. Yeah, so that the oil don't get in, and to secure your content inside the cover. We cut them into half, so we'll be just folding them into triangles. Yes. The cone, it is a cone, not even a triangle. Fold them into a cone, then you feed it with your green grams or whichever you have. When others use minced meat. You see, just like that. But I'm not really a pro in this. Still learning, but I know we reached there. The paste is just made from the flour, that wheat flour. You add water, then you mix it to have that paste thing, not really liquid but paste. Sticky a little bit, not to be watery. And that is the process. After that, you fry them. So where we are now. Our covers are fed. They are full. But we still have this one. But the green grams was over. So we let it to. We'll cook them tomorrow. Yeah, if we cook with the green grams. Because we don't have them now. So that is the oil. We let it boil. Then we start deep frying our sambal sauce. And this time I was really tired, really tired. Not my thing to stay up till midnight. Maybe I can, but just seated, trying to browse on my phone, but not doing any work. Yeah, so I was too tired, but I had to try.
is so late. 5 minutes to midnight. I'm so tired. This cooking sambusa not easy, and I've not finished. We'll continue tomorrow. So but I'm too tired. Let's try this together. It's sweet, though a little bit of salt, more salt. The green grams. So guys, I'm whispering because people are sleeping midnight.